How to change Revolut bank details. To change your Revolut bank details, you can follow these general steps. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Look for an option like Settings or your account profile icon. Within the settings, find an option related to your bank account or linked cards. Depending on the platform's interface, there should be an option to edit or change your linked bank account. This may involve updating your account number, short code, or other relevant information. Revolut may have security measures in place to ensure that the changes are authorized. This could involve additional verification steps such as entering a passcode, providing identification, or confirming the change via email. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.